Hi! In this e-learning course for PaperStream Capture Pro, I'll perform a quick installation of version 2.0. I'll do it in real time without condensing wait times or anything else, and even so, this will not take long. I'll tell you all about it as we go along, starting right now. When you're ready to install PaperStream Capture Pro, you will have downloaded this installation file. I like to put it inside a folder, but you could put it right on the desktop. Now, I have a Fujitsu FI7160 scanner alongside, but I have not yet connected it to the computer. That's because the drivers for the scanner will be installed with Capture Pro, so I'll wait for that before I connect it so that I don't see this. I'll just double-click that file to start the installation, and a command prompt window runs for a moment. Notice that the installer creates some temporary files, but they'll be deleted at the end of the installation process. Moving right along, I want English, but I could select Spanish or French instead, and that's okay. I'll accept the license agreement and keep the default for single station operation, which means I'm planning to have one scanner attached to one computer running PaperStream Capture Pro. I'll click Install to proceed. This won't take long, but exactly how long depends on the performance of your computer. I could have edited this wait time out, but I did mention that I'm running this in real time, right? When I click Finish, the next part of the installation kicks off automatically for PaperStream IP Twain. PaperStream IP is image processing software that is embedded with Capture Pro, and it is also hardware drivers for the scanner. And I do want you to know that PaperStream Capture Pro will only scan using Fujitsu FI series scanners. You can't use other brands of scanners with it. But, by the way, you can use Pro without a scanner if you purchase an import license, but that will be a different video. In this course, I'm focused on making a single scan station. The installation of Storage Server and PaperStream IP is complete. And in case you're wondering, Storage Server is the capability to make a multi-station installation. It's part of how Capture Pro is flexible and expandable, and I won't talk about it any further in this course. Okay, I'll close this little window and use the new shortcut on the desktop to start PaperStream Capture Pro. When the program starts for the first time, it wants a license code, which you will have received by email. But this time around, I'll use evaluation mode, where I can run the software fully functional for 30 days or 200 batches, whichever comes first. And there's my success message for evaluation mode. I'll close this welcome window and expand Capture Pro to full screen. These icons over here are document profiles. A profile is a collection of settings for the scanner and the software working together. These three are sample document profiles, but you'll end up making your own profiles to meet your own business needs. I'll show you how in the quick configuration video. Right now, I'll click this little arrow over here on the right edge of the program window to bring out the document profile summary panel. And then I'll grab the border and pull it over a little more. That's just the way I like it when I only have a few document profiles. You don't have to do that. So while you weren't looking, I connected my scanner to my computer, and now I'll power it on. It finds the drivers immediately, but exactly what this message looks like depends on your computer. You may not even see one. And now I'm ready to make a test. I'll put a sample document in my scanner, face down, top first. And then I'll click the icon for this black and white document profile. The scanner runs. And I see a thumbnail on the left and a full page view on the right. I'll zoom the view a bit, move the border, just looking around, and everything seems okay. I'll click Complete Batch at the bottom. This batch is made up of this one document, by the way. And when I click Yes to release the batch, notice the fine print in the lower right that shows the software is working. And now I'll take a look at where the scanned image was released to. It's in the Public Documents library. And that's the actual path right there. C drive, users, public documents folder. Why there? Well, first, scanned images do need to go somewhere by default, and that path exists on all Windows computers. So the Capture Pro software can be preset to that location and it will work on all computers. And importantly, users who are not administrators on their machines can write to that folder. Keep in mind that you'll make your own document profiles that will send your scans wherever you decide to send them. I'm about ready to wrap this course up, but one more thing. Here's a quick look at where you configure profiles and set the destination for scanned images. Drop down this little menu. Select Configure Profiles, and you can either make a new profile with this plus sign or move your mouse over a profile that already exists and make this three-part menu come up, where you'll select Edit. This is the Configure Profiles wizard. With several selections on the left, I'll look at Destination. This is where I can set the file type and that Public Documents folder, and also the file name. I'll take you through all this in detail in the quick configuration course, and I strongly recommend that you look at that video next. I'll close this Configure Profiles wizard and go back to the Scan and Index screen, which leaves me ready to make another test if I wanted to. But not right now, because that's all for this one. Thanks for watching.